And the markets go bearish as we close in on Christmas. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, December 22nd, 2016. Markets do go bearish, with small caps doing the worst, down 1.3%. I'm short the small caps right now, so that worked out in my account. We've got a lot to talk about here. Anyway, banks slightly higher. Everybody else about break even. US dollar up a little bit. Crude oil, gold down. Silver down almost a full percent. And the VIX continues to drop down 1.5%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider. And we're dropping. I have a sell on it. We do keep dropping. However, here's the deal. We got a little hammer time. This could be a bull flag, guys. Look at the red. This could be a flag. So this dude could go boom to the upside. It could certainly do that. It might look something more like that. Boom, up like this. So that's what could certainly happen on a bull flag. However, if tomorrow proves out to be very, very bearish down, I could see the rising 20-day moving average acting as support. Whoops. And if I go here to the diamonds I actually put a buy on a couple days ago, and we're just kind of going sideways. Anyway, we have, will we hit this mark? This mark right here puts me at 199.9. I want to be alerted before it hits 20,000. I want to see it hit 20,000, the diamonds and the Dow. I want that to happen. NASDAQ have a sell on it, and we're just kind of chopping around sideways. Today at one point we had a dive, but we came back above the rising EMA. Small caps, though, I said look for this thing to drop. Now it broke support. Sure enough, it did. Let me get rid of this now. That's a drop. The only reason I'm not going to put a sell on that because I already have a sell on it, so the sell is still intact. The problem is it stopped right at this area of support. You can see this coming across. So I blow this up. See this? I'm going to bring this right there. That support level. Shrink it back. Look at that. Right at support, the rising 20-day moving average. Will that hold? This area is so important. Will it hold? It needs to. It needs to hold and rally higher. If not, if it breaks this, all the markets should follow suit. Closing out the week, going into Christmas. Banks, just sideways, nothing. Financials, sideways, building a high base. Look for a high base breakout on banks and financials, guys. This thing is set up to go bullish. Dow, or the dollar, up. But we're nearing resistance. Guys, the dollar is looking to drop. The dollar drops, the markets are going to go higher. Crude oil. I called it a sell yesterday. We just moved sideways. We rallied back, hit this resistance line, came right back down on crude oil. Gold is just doing nothing, sideways. Silver dropping. I really thought this candlestick was going to have us go higher, but right now we just continue to drop. All this activity here on this drop and the buying on that weakness is not proving to be holding much weight in the markets as a whole. And as in February, I'm pretty excited about this. In February, I will have 19 years of active trading experience. 19 this February, 8 of active trading experience. And if you follow me on Facebook or Twitter or anywhere else on Grok Trade, you'll see I'll post some things on there, and you'll see what I did today in the markets, being short the market. However, I think we have a really good chance of going bullish. This would be interesting to see how we close out this week and how we open up next week. That would be so important. This video that we're going to be doing for the weekend edition is just a huge video. You'll want to not miss that. And if I can share with you all the secrets I've learned in my 19 years to trade in the markets, I can share that with you. I can share with you how to find the biggest, best, most explosive stocks out there. And if you don't trade stocks, you trade options or you trade futures or something else, I can show you how to find the best chart patterns, for the highest potential of movement, for explosion to the upside or downside if you're long or if you're bearish. I will show you precision entry, when you should get into every trade, when you should get out of every trade. If you want to do that, go to Grok Trade, sign us up sign up for the Trading Mentor. If you do that this week, if you do it before January 1st, you're going to get a massive discount, because after January 1st, it's a much higher price, 31% higher. But if you want to do this, get signed up. We'll get you booked in either January or March time frame. We'll get you plugged in for a 3-day. It starts off with 3 days, but mentoring is actually lifelong. Once you get in, you are in for lifelong at no additional charge. We just have you pay a tuition for those 3 initial days. Then after that, all the support is free. So for you who are still on this video listening at this moment, it's for a reason. It's because you want to get to the next level in trading. You don't want to stay on the same path going into 2017. I'm saying to you, do not be on the same path going into 2017 as you've been on in the past. Let tomorrow be different. The thing that you need to do is make the decision to have us come in and to help you learn how to trade. Trading Mentor, go there, fill out this form. And when you fill out the form, we will contact you and we'll just have a discussion. That discussion, you'll learn all about the mentorship. There is absolutely no obligation and zero pressure. It's all about information, because most of you guys are engineer types. You don't want to be sold. That's why we don't do it. That's why we only give information. So if you want to join us like a lot of these other people have, not like some of them, all of them have, there you have it. So, whew, if you like it, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you.